Hey guys, doing klwdesigns. Wanted to do a little comparison today, give you all a little FYI on, for what it's worth, I suppose, maybe for what it's worth, FWIW, on comparison of the mags I did. Stippling versus the rubber grip. See, I put a little rubber grip on there, and I just stippled this one, right? So, you know, they both get great traction. I just did this week, so obviously overstocked. Way better grip, right? Slide your finger across that, pretty slippery. I never really noticed an issue before with the 20 round SKS mags, but I thought, what the heck, I'll try it. So just for fun, real quick, let's send a couple rounds down range. This is my Chinese Norinco SKS. I did a lot of work to it. A lot of work, including airbrushing it, laser engraving the bolt scope. But whoa! I almost regretted that, didn't I? Your PPE. It's the first time I used that magazine. Bought it at a flea market a couple weeks ago. $10, half price. Anticipated that one shot, didn't I? So yeah, good grip. Good grip. On and off. I didn't stipple that back spine. Duckbill in there. I of course have the extended magazine release. That stock metal one is for the birds, man. Oh, that feels good. That actually feels better than the stipple. Have that nice soft rubber. But it's a nice warm day out. It's probably 65 degrees, middle of winter in Phoenix, Arizona. Sucks for the people back in the Midwest and the Northeast, or 19 degrees and snowing. Yeah, that feels real good like that. Stock mag. These are all Tapco 20 rounders. No issue, really. I mean, it's smooth. So the rubber grip one is this Talon grips. Rubber comes in a sheet about 5x7. It was like $11 on Amazon, and I just cut it into strips. I'll probably get almost 3 magazines worth out of it. So, you know, $3 a magazine to put that rubber grip on there. It's nice, feels pretty good. And then the stippling, if you can see that, a little autofocus. I don't know how it's doing on the focus. So you can see I just did a bunch of little dots, and I did them with a wood burner. I don't know if people use soldering irons or wood burners. This has a nice point on it, right? So just a lot of little dots. You probably even do some lines if you want. And of course you can, the more little dots you put, the more grip you get. But that one's pretty grippy. Like I said, I just didn't do the back piece because I didn't want to get too rough. Stipling it takes way longer, of course. So let's say you drop your magazine in the dirt, right? It gets a little dirty in the desert. Let's see what that's like. So still pretty smooth. No real issues, but like I said, it's a warm day. My hands are warm. Stipling, way better grip. Still way better grip. Rubber, pretty good grip. Kind of in between the two, not as much as the stippling, but it's a little bit softer, you know what I mean? So let's add some water. Maybe I do. That should have water handy. My cold drinking water. So it's raining, I suppose. Brings the grip back, washes the dust off. It's actually a better grip when you're wet. I suppose if your hands were cold though, if it was cold outside, you wouldn't like it. Stippling, it's raining on you. Still phenomenal grip. Really good. Yeah, no issues with that at all. Rubber talon grip. Really good grip. That rubber doesn't, it slips a little bit, not near as good as the stippling, but still feels great. Stippling took a long time, obviously, but for the money, you can buy a $20 wood burner and do all your magazines, do your gun cases, do your hand grips, and still burn wood with it. With the talon grips, you're talking, you maybe get 3 magazines worth. I've had them on pistol grips before. I have a little Ruger 380 pocket handgun. I put it on there, wrapped it around, and it the edge kind of wore off, but probably more use. This is obviously the sheet, right? So just peel it off, stick it on. I expect it'll last. It's stuck on there pretty good. I did take a couple of them off and ready to hear them. It's the first time I used it, but I wouldn't see too many issues with that. Anyway, good luck to you.